Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. This card kit is for February of 2025. I am featuring the stamp set called With You in Mind. It has a beautiful thank you script. And I also have for the card kits a little strip of the Storybook Moments 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. It's super cute. The colors that I've chosen for this card kit is Old Olive and Boho Blue. And I'm just sharing with you how you can actually utilize this. It's cute, but paper that can be a little bit busy. You don't have to use it full on as a full-on sheet. You can just use bits and pieces of the card kit. One of my team members actually sent me a card for Christmas, thanking her for her Christmas gift. And this was the card that she made me. So thank you, Diane. I'm copying you. So I've inked up the thank you stamp with Old Olive, and in comes Boho Blue. Of course, you can use whatever sentiment that fits in this square. I've adhered the basic white to the color cardstock. And I just wanted to make mention too, if you go into the scrapbooking brochure, you will find this Storybook Moments Specialty Designer Series paper in there. And actually, if you order, there's a number in there. I can't remember what it is offhand, but you can get a fancy sticker sheet as well. Or you can just, if you don't want the sticker sheet, you can just buy the Storybook 12 by 12 Designer Series paper in our annual catalog. But just saying, and there's a whole bunch of die cuts too that are fun to utilize on your card. But so I've put adhesive on that Designer Series paper or pattern paper, and now I'm covering the unsightly seam with a 1/2 inch piece of cardstock to match the colors. So I mean, you could put this on the right or the left side, whatever you want. And then obviously I put dimensional adhesive on the back of my squares. And here it is, the 2 cards. Now there's 4 colorways, so you might not get these particular cards or papers. You might get something else. But anyway, you know how to order. And of course you can put the host code in and get you a little something something. So thank you so very much for watching, for subscribing, for commenting, and all the YouTubey things. I really appreciate you. Thanks so much for shopping with me in the month of December, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.